What is the energy that you put behind wanting to get promoted? Welcome to this video. I am going to give you how you break your pattern and get to a state where you can actually create and receive the exact promotion you've been waiting for years. And this could be a promotion, this could be your next job, this could be anything that you wish to get into. The key is, what are the drivers? In fact, I could look at what is the driver. And I know we say the driver, but I narrow it very quickly to the most important thing that determines how you show up, how you are, how your actions look like, how you can create and how you can receive. Well, you've landed at the perfect spot because I'm here to help you figure out why things have been showing up lately the way they've been showing up. Your constant overwhelm with how the job market is, your tiresomeness because you're done with your performance conversation, how you've been working for years but you've not landed the promotion, and what's really not working for you. Are you ready for the magic word? It is nothing but your energy. Your energy is what defines what you have, and your energy defines what you don't have. You do not get what you want, and this goes in as early as Carl Jung. You do not get what you want, you get what you are. Most people, 99.99% of the people, and it could be you, it is the energy of desperation. Oh my God, if I don't get the job, what happens? How will I manage my 6 months EMI? Oh my God, I'm soon going to get laid off. Can I find my next job? I'm desperate. I know I've been a technology delivery person until now. Let me go as a test manager. Or I'm a test manager. Let me go as a business analyst. Not ready for it really, but because you're desperate, you want to dive in. You want to do what you feel might work because, oh my God, what is the underlying emotion? Fear. What is the underlying emotion? Fear. And fear will only take you that far. Fear will absolutely take you. It will take you 2 steps. It's not going to take you 10 steps. But if you actually take that step back and say, what the heck am I worried about? Why am I scared? What's the worst thing that can happen? Go back to, have I ever created something when I was desperate? You might have, but it would never have the gentle joy, the awesomeness that things we create when we are opposite of fear. And if you've gone into any of my posts or my videos or YouTube videos, you would notice the opposite of fear is love. Loving yourself, loving what's around you. And I know this is spiritual, but that's the way I work. And you need to resonate with this if you choose to work with me, because the opposite of fear is love. The entire world is being driven by fear. If you don't learn agentic AI, you will be left behind. If you don't learn how to automate, you'll be left behind. Bloody hell, all right, you will be. But what if we approached it with the angle of creation, with the angle of, what's the value I'm going to add by doing this? How can I use this to support me? How can I use this to add more value, efficiency, capability, turn the metrics around? How do I show up in a way that I attract my next job? And I know I come back to being and state of reality. The point is, what is the energy? What is your intention? How are you showing up? And this could be a complete personality reform, because you have been told and you have been programmed, and I call it indoctrination. It is all about LinkedIn network. It's all about your profile. It's all about your resume. It's all about your elevator pitch. But what about the intent? Because finally your career cannot be lopsided and be short. It's got to be a longer vision. It's got to be, how do you want to truly show up? What's your intent behind your promotion? Is it desperation and fear, or is it love and joy? If you resonate with this, pay it forward, and also drop me a comment in the comment section, and you know exactly how you can reach out to me. Book that damn call in. Have a lovely Sunday, wherever you're watching it from.